Fabric installation.
According to the sequence in the video,
The fabric of the second and fourth layers passes through the feeding roller first. Start installation. Install the fabric and lock the fixed block. Pass the fabric through the guide roller. Overlap the new fabric with the fabric on the machine. And then run the machine. The roller will bring the fabric into the machine. Hold the fabric with your hand. Please note that this video shows only one layer of fabric installation. We should pass the second and fourth of fabric according to step 1, through the feeding roller at the same time, then pass the third layer of fabric through the roller. Finally, pass the first fabric through the guide roller in turn. Then pass the fabric through the hobbing shaft. Fabric installation complete.